Rich Dad, Poor Dad, written by Robert Kiyosaki, is a self-help book that aims to provide readers with a new perspective on wealth and financial success. It presents a narrative of Kiyosaki's life, in which he learned valuable lessons about money and finance from two father figures: his biological father, a poor dad who worked hard but struggled financially, and his best friend's father, a rich dad who was successful in business and had a strong understanding of financial literacy. The book has become a bestseller and has been translated into multiple languages, and has been widely read and discussed by many people around the world. One of the main themes in Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the importance of financial education and the dangers of relying solely on traditional forms of education. Kiyosaki argues that the traditional education system does not adequately prepare individuals for the real world and that it is important to seek out additional knowledge and skills in order to achieve financial success. He emphasizes the importance of learning about money, investing, and entrepreneurship, as these skills are crucial for building wealth and achieving financial independence. He also emphasizes that a formal education, such as a college degree, does not guarantee financial success and can even hinder it. He encourages readers to think differently about their education and to focus on learning about money and investing. Another key theme in the book is the concept of assets and liabilities. Kiyosaki defines assets as things that bring in money, such as a rental property or a successful business, and liabilities as things that take money away, such as a mortgage or a car payment. He encourages readers to focus on building assets and minimizing liabilities in order to build wealth and achieve financial stability. He also encourages readers to change their mindset and to focus on building assets instead of trying to increase their income. He believes that building assets is the key to long-term financial success. One of the most controversial aspects of Rich Dad, Poor Dad is Kiyosaki's criticism of traditional forms of employment and his promotion of entrepreneurship as the key to financial success. He argues that working a traditional 9-to-5 job is not the most effective way to build wealth and that instead, individuals should focus on building their own businesses or investing in real estate. He emphasizes that working for someone else's business is not the best way to achieve financial success and encourages readers to think differently about their careers and to pursue entrepreneurship. He also emphasizes that investing in real estate is a great way to build wealth and to achieve financial independence. This message has been met with both praise and criticism, with some praising Kiyosaki for encouraging entrepreneurship and others arguing that his advice is oversimplified and not practical for everyone. Another point of contention in the book is Kiyosaki's emphasis on the importance of taking financial risks in order to achieve success. He encourages readers to be bold and to not be afraid of failure, as it is a necessary part of the learning process. He also encourages readers to think differently about risk and to see it as an opportunity for growth and success. While this message may be inspiring for some, it has also been criticized for promoting a reckless and irresponsible attitude towards money and for downplaying the importance of financial stability and security. One of the strengths of Rich Dad, Poor Dad is its accessibility and simplicity. The book is written in a straightforward and easy-to-understand manner, making it accessible to a wide range of readers. It also provides practical advice and tips on how to improve financial literacy and build wealth, which is useful for those looking to improve their financial situation. The book is also written in a narrative format, which makes it easy to read and understand. The author's story is relatable and makes it easy for readers to understand the concepts and ideas that he is trying to convey. However, the book also has several weaknesses that should be considered when evaluating its value. One major issue is the lack of nuance in its approach to financial success. Kiyosaki's emphasis on entrepreneurship and risk-taking as the key to financial success is oversimplified and ignores the many other factors that contribute to financial success, such as education, hard work, and personal connections. Additionally, the book's emphasis on accumulating wealth as the ultimate goal ignores the many other factors that contribute to a fulfilling and meaningful life, such as relationships, personal growth, and contributing to the greater good. Another weakness of the book is its lack of consideration for the role of privilege and luck in financial success. Kiyosaki's narrative focuses on his own experiences and those of his rich dad, and does not adequately address the ways in which privilege and luck can play a significant role in financial success. This lack of acknowledgement can be harmful, as it can lead readers to believe that financial success is solely a matter of personal choice and effort, rather than recognizing the privilege and luck that many successful individuals have had. In conclusion, while Rich Dad, Poor Dad has many strengths and valuable lessons, it also has several weaknesses that should be taken into consideration when evaluating its value. It is important for readers to keep in mind the oversimplifications and lack of nuance in its approach to financial success, as well as the importance of considering privilege and luck when evaluating one's financial situation. Despite its weaknesses, the book is a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy and understanding of wealth and financial success.